Hello friends, welcome to the REST Assured tutorial series. In this video session, you will see how we can validate the response for the post type request. So before I start this tutorial, if you have not seen my previous video, then please click on the I button because in my previous video I have mentioned all the details how you can import the REST Assured library in your project and from where you can get the dummy type REST API. Okay, so let's start. So similar like in previous video, in base URI we need to mention this host. Now we create request specification, pass some extra details with API like some headers, some parameters, authorization, and all the things. So we'll use the header. So we'll pick this one, content type application slash JSON, and in the post type request we need to pass some data inside the body. Okay, so we'll create a string data, and inside the string data we'll keep the details. Okay, now we'll create the response object of response, and we'll use the post method. And inside the post we'll use the rest path of this API request. Okay. Now, how we can send the body section with request? So we need to use request dot body method. Inside the body method, simply we need to pass data. Now it's time to fetch the response and print on console. call as a string method, and the same time we'll use JSON path similar like in previous video. So our response in PT format. And we'll use one more method to get the status code. Now we'll run it and see. So you can see we are getting the same result which I have shown in this website. And status code is 201. So, and suppose if you want to validate some data from the assertion point of view, then we can do like this. Name. Okay, so we'll print the name attribute value. So you can see we are getting the same value from the name attribute. So friends, hope this video will helpful to post type request. And if you like this video, please click on the like button, and thanks for watching.